I recently installed a new set of wheel caps for my Maruti Suzuki Celerio, and this is how they look. They are a perfect match for the red body color of the car. It comes as a set of 4, and the product was delivered brand new without any damage. These are aftermarket universal wheel caps designed for 14-inch wheels. The build is fully plastic, and the quality feels quite similar to the original Maruti wheel caps. Make sure to properly align the inner ring, as shown here. Once installed correctly, it fits very firmly with no movement issues. However, the inner ring is slightly tight, and even a small misalignment can result in air leakage, like this. So, I suggest using the inner rings from your old original wheel caps for better alignment and easier fitting. Once properly fixed, it looks really nice and definitely better than the brand's original wheel caps.